Hi, I'm Bill Shannon, and today we're here to talk about Zinc, which is a product of Umicore Building Products. Interestingly, Shannon Corporation has represented Zinc for 7 years, and we're having tremendous success with our architectural community in New England. I'd like to go over a few of the things that are really important about Zinc versus all of the competitors in the marketplace. And let's go through a few of these, which I think you'll find interesting. Zinc was actually started or Umicore Building Products, in 1837. So it's been around a while, and we have a lot of experience with the product, and there's been a lot of projects done, and a lot of experience has been developed over these years. Zinc represents about 61% of the architectural zinc market in the world. So it's a very, very large company as far as zinc goes, and it has a tremendous amount of experience in all of the different parts of the globe. Now, the interesting part of Zinc is we have lots of different finishes. We have natural zinc, quartz zinc, which develops a natural patina and is the closest to what natural zinc ends up looking like as it weathers. We have pigmento. We have anthrazinc, which is black. We have a new product called Strat, which has an anti-corrosion coating for quartz and anthrazinc for high abuse areas like near the ocean and so forth. And we have Zinc Plus, which is a backing on our zinc, which we require on any roofing applications. The whole idea about the backing on the zinc, and one of the most important things about zinc in general, is that you don't want to have water sitting on zinc. Now, a couple of other things really important about zinc and warranties and things like that. You know, a lot of people talk about warranties and sort of ignore it. A warranty is only as good as the financial stability of the company who's producing the product. Well, obviously, with Umicore Building Products being around since the 1800s, they have tremendous financial stability. Consequently, their warranty is powerful and it's meaningful. If you have a problem with your project, you can count on the people at Zinc to take care of it. Now, this financial stability is also important. You don't want to run into problems with your projects due to financial stability of a company. Now, later this year, we're also going to have a new finish called Azingar, which is a unique light color, sort of in the white family. And I think you're going to find that very interesting. So that's going to be in the second half of 2014. Now, one of the things that's really fascinating about Zinc is that if you're an architect designing a building, we're not in business to tell you that you're very limited as to what you can accomplish in your design. Zinc is the only company that has myriad different approaches to the use of their product to enable you to design your building in any manner you wish. Obviously, we have coil stock, we have flat sheet, and then we have a whole series of manufactured products that you'll find in the Zinc brochure. Just to go over some of them, we have our interlocking product, we have our cassette, our metaphor, corrugated, which some people use either solid or perforated, our flat lock panels, or our single or double standing seam products. We also have Dexter, a Deca, and flat lock diamond. So when you're designing your building, if you have an area where you want to have really large panels, or diamond shaped panels, or linear panels, we have a product for you. Also, due to the fact that we have the coil and the flat stock, you have the ability to fabricate the parts and pieces that may be necessary for around your windows or your corners or at door openings or in dormers on the building. There's many, many different ways you can design your project with VM Zinc. We don't limit your design. Now, in addition to all of those items that I just mentioned, we also have composite panels, which are available for very large flat panels. We have strategic relationships that enable us to offer those panels, and I think you'll find them to be very, very useful in large panels. And lastly, you may have become familiar with Dri-Design, which is also a strategic partner of VM Zinc, and we have the whole series of Dri-Design capabilities utilizing the VM Zinc product line. So virtually any kind of building that you're designing and any look that you're trying to have, we have available with time-tested VM Zinc. Now, it's very interesting to know that we have available all of the details and all of the technical data on shannoncorporation.com, which is hot linked to the VM Zinc website, which will enable you to get any of the information that you may need for designing your project. I think that's really important. Furthermore, we have samples and details available from Shannon Corporation, and of course, if you're working on a project and you'd like a Shannon Corporation person to visit with you to go over your details, we are always available to sit down with your team to discuss your project. So I think it's really important that you go back over all of these items that we've just discussed today to see all of the flexibility that we have available with VM Zinc. You will not be stuck with a particular design on your project. You'll have the flexibility to have your project look like you want it to look. So we look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to providing you with samples and details, and we look forward to working on your next Zinc project. Thank you very much.